Are you looking for the top 5 best ladders of 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best ladders of 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Rubbermaid 3-Step Ladder. The Rubbermaid 3-Step Ladder is a versatile, reliable step stool designed for everyday use at home, in the garage, or around the workplace. Made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it's easy to carry and move wherever you need extra height without feeling bulky or heavy. The ladder folds flat for compact storage, making it ideal for small spaces like closets or utility rooms. With 3 generously sized steps and a secure frame, this ladder provides stable footing so you can reach shelves, change light bulbs, or tackle projects with confidence. A built-in project tray at the top keeps tools, paint cans, and small items within easy reach, reducing trips up and down. This ladder meets rigorous US safety standards and requires no assembly. Simply unfold, and you're ready to go. Its silver finish looks clean and modern, while the thoughtful design focuses on everyday convenience and dependable performance for a wide range of tasks.
Number 2. Rubbermaid 2-Step Steel Step Stool Ladder with hand grip. The Rubbermaid 2-Step Steel Step Stool Ladder is a sturdy and practical solution for everyday tasks that require a little extra height. Built with durable steel and finished in clean white, this step stool combines strength and simplicity in a compact design that fits easily into closets, utility rooms, kitchens, or garages. 2 wide, slip-resistant steps provide secure footing, while the integrated hand grip offers added stability and confidence as you climb, making it a great choice for users of all ages. With an ANSI Type 2 duty rating and a 225-pound weight capacity, it's strong enough for a variety of household chores like reaching high shelves, changing light bulbs, or organizing storage spaces. The lightweight construction makes it easy to carry and reposition wherever you need it, and the foldable design allows for space-saving storage when not in use. Designed for everyday reliability and ease of use, this step stool offers a balanced mix of performance, safety, and convenience for typical home tasks.
Number 3. Rubbermaid 3-Step Folding Ladder. The Rubbermaid 3-Step Folding Ladder is a dependable and easy-to-use step stool designed to make everyday tasks around the house safer and more convenient. Constructed with strong, durable steel and finished in a clean white color, this ladder combines stability with a lightweight feel, so you can carry and place it where you need extra height. It features 3 wide, slip-resistant steps that provide secure footing, helping you confidently reach high shelves, change light bulbs, or organize closets. An integrated hand grip adds an extra level of safety and balance while climbing or standing on the top step. When you're done, the ladder folds flat for compact storage in a closet, laundry room, or garage without taking up much space. This foldable design makes it ideal for everyday household use. Built with everyday reliability in mind, the Rubbermaid 3-Step Folding Ladder brings a simple, practical solution to common tasks that require a little boost in height. Number 4. Rubbermaid FG42090 3WHD Easy Step 2-Step Folding Plastic Ladder. Step up your stepping up with a stool that doesn't take up a lot of space around your home. With this 2-pack of Rubbermaid Easy Step 2-Step Folding Step Stool, you'll always have a lightweight and dependable step ladder on hand to reach up to that top shelf or cupboard. This stepping stool has 2 sturdy steps with treads that give you a steady footing as you reach up high. The 4 skid-resistant foot pads won't scratch up your floors or slide around, so you don't have to stress about slipping or falling. Even better, this step stool folds up, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in your closets when it's not in use. Made of durable, white plastic, this stepping stool has a clean, simple design that looks great and lasts a long time. Number 5. WAWA 6-Step Ladder for High Ceiling. Reach 11-foot height. The top step of the foldable ladder is 4 feet 6 inches, allowing users 5.5 foot tall to easily reach 11-foot ceilings. Effortlessly complete household tasks such as changing light bulbs, cleaning ceiling fans, and accessing items in tall cabinets. 330-pound capacity. Made of steel alloy, this step ladders support up to 330 pounds. The top handrail provides extra support while climbing, and anti-slip foot pads keep the ladder stable on tile or wood floors. Narrow gap storage, folded size, 18.7 foot x 2.1 x 77.2. With a slim 2.1-inch thickness, it easily fits into narrow gaps or behind doors. The unfolded footprint is 18.7 inches by 45.9 inches, and it opens smoothly for effortless use. Move with ease. This ladder for home weighs only 22.3 pounds, making it easy to move wherever you need it. Its portability makes it a practical and convenient tool for any household task. Multifunctional use. The tall ladder works well in kitchens, living rooms, garages, offices, and more. When not in use, it doubles as a decorative plant stand or bookshelf. A ladder with multiple uses makes life easier.